If you want to transfer notes from one iPad to another iPad, I'm going to show you the best way you can do. So the thing is very simple. You just swipe down here, long press, and under AirDrop, click this receiving off and turn on everyone for 10 minutes. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be turned on. Same goes here. Swipe down, long press, AirDrop, receiving for 10 minutes. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will also turned on. After this, edit to Notes app. For example, if you want to transfer these notes to this one, you just click the share option, click on AirDrop, select your iPad. So it's done. It's transferred here directly on your new iPad Notes app. So this is it. You can just mark here and select all and transfer a whole bunch of notes to your new iPad. It's just like simple. This is it. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPad, you need to watch this playlist.